Now I'm going to introduce both a friend, but also a board member of my company since I took over as CEO. His name is Frantz Alfonse. He's been described as the, quote, future face of conscious capitalism. He's the co-founder and senior managing director of APC Holdings, an entrepreneur in the world of M&A, and a business strategist, an author, and philanthropist. His companies usually generate about $2 billion in revenue with over 10,000 employees globally and across many industries.
Thank you so much. Such a delight to be addressing all of you, and such an honor to be affiliated with Humantelligence at such an extraordinary time in our history. It's worth mentioning that looking at that historical context, part of what's going on is certainly the extent to which the entire planet's been knocked off of its axis by virtue of COVID-19. But there is another element going on in our society at the moment here in the United States, and that's obviously what some are already calling the rise of the new civil rights movement. Okay, it's almost like an earthquake going on at the same time as a hurricane. It's an extraordinary time to be serving as a thought leader to our clients and to the overall market, helping to navigate these changes. Juan has made a great deal of discussion around the way that corporate cultures are changing, but our overall national culture is also changing. And on the slide that Charles has provided for us here, I talk about what's precipitated the unrest that our culture is going through right now, and candidly some of the responses that our corporate friends have brought to the table. There was a study done in 2018 by the Institute of Policy Studies, and importantly, what they found was that the average African American household has experienced a decline in their wealth of 75% in the last 30 years. The average Latinx household in the same time period of the last 30 years has experienced a 50% decline in their wealth. However, importantly, the average white household in the United States has experienced a 14% increase in that same time period. Okay, make no mistake about it, these statistics and these trends are absolutely contributing to some of the unrest that we're experiencing right now, and it feeds directly into the narrative around why diversity and inclusion is so important.